I'm going to show you how to make a balloon giraffe. You can see in my other videos how to make a dog or a lion. So, first you need the right equipment and get it off of eBay. I got mine for Christmas. So, of course, pump it up. Need to leave a little bit of space, like that. And you'll need to let an air out so you can tie it. Otherwise, you won't have a giraffe. New at tying with these kind of balloons, though. Got it. Okay. So, to make the nose, get about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, but pinch that and twist. I'm gonna repeat that 4 more times to have a total of 5. So, these ones are going to be the little round things on top of the giraffe's head. So, I'll go ahead and do that. After you finish that, the last one you folded, put it up against the giraffe's nose, and then you have this. There's the head of the giraffe. The nose is quite long. I usually use it for a tongue. Giraffe has long tongues, so that won't really matter. But make sure he has. I don't know the size that you guys want, but just make sure he has a pretty long neck. His legs will be kind of long, otherwise the tail will be pretty long. And it won't really look like a giraffe, but okay, so. Okay. There's the head, the neck, and the front legs. We need to make the body. It's going to be pretty long. Then do the same that you did for the front legs as you did with the back legs. Pretty long. Okay. Then you have a complete balloon giraffe.
I have no idea what a giraffe says. Maybe that? Maybe that. Good job. Wow.